sweet life, sweet life, sweet life.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how I use my leftover cake scraps and turn them into the cutest, bougiest little cake jars. So this week I had leftover chocolate cake, vanilla cake, and red velvet. It's not really leftover cake. These are the tops of the cake that I actually shave off, like the muffin top of the cake that like puffs up just a little bit. So I usually save it, put it in a freezer safe Ziploc bag and put it in the freezer. And then I had some leftover vanilla buttercream, and then I had some leftover chocolate buttercream this week. So that's what you'll see me using to create these adorable cake jars. I'm actually doing these for a photo shoot for a sale and for my website. So stay tuned. So when you are doing these parfait type cake jars, when you are doing your layers of cake and your layers of buttercream, you do want to make sure you go all the way to the edge of the jar, because you want to be able to see the clean, defined layers of cake, buttercream. You have to make sure the layer is even and go all the way to the edge of the jar, so from the outside you can see what each layer is. If you only put the buttercream or the cake just in the middle and then you get ready to do the next layer, they'll just all come together and you won't be able to see the defined layer of cake, buttercream. I'm just using my spoon just to break it up. If you guys watched my where I did the parfaits in like the cups, you'll see that I actually used cupcakes for those. So you can use cupcakes for these as well. When I do have my actual cake jar sale, I will do cupcakes just because it'll allow me to count exactly how many cupcakes I need to make, and I'll know exactly how many jars. But for this purpose, this is just for a video, and like I said, it's for a photo shoot, and so I can add pictures to my website. So to the top, I'm just adding some crushed Oreos, and I'm gonna add a whole Oreo cookie on top. Next jar is going to be vanilla cake with vanilla buttercream and sprinkles. This is my birthday cake themed jar. So last but not least, this is going to be my red velvet. I call it red velvet praline or praline, however you pronounce it. It's going to be red velvet cake. And I'm also going to add some praline pecans to it. And they are so delicious. I got those from Sam's Club, I believe. So yeah, it's going to be the red velvet cake, buttercream, and like candied pralines. Oh my God, this one is so delicious. And there we have it, guys. How gorgeous is that? And look how these turned out. I absolutely love making these because they're just so simple. You can use leftover ingredients. They're easy to mail, easy to transport. They're easy to save if you just want to eat a few spoons of it. Put the lid back on. You can save it for later. They're just very convenient and I love them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Sweet life, sweet life.